This dog played dead when a dangerous kidnapper broke into the house. The kidnapper wanted to get rid of the dog first. He fired a shot straight at him, but the bullet completely missed. The smart dog stayed still, tricking the kidnapper into thinking he was no longer a problem. But the moment the kidnapper grabbed the girl to take her away, the dog jumped up and bit his arm hard. The kidnapper panicked and tried to shoot again, but the dog was too fast. With a quick move, he knocked the gun out of the man's hand and kept attacking. The kidnapper regretted ever stepping into that house. But after all this, no one even gave the dog a like.